Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create or build a mansion in Minecraft. Just look online for images or videos for existing Minecraft mansions and consider ideas from movies, shows or real house plans. Plan essential rooms and fun spaces. Think about available material colors in Minecraft to create your preferred look. And use Minecraft tools like Minecraft or paper to sketch the layout. Building a mansion takes time, so set aside dedicated sessions. Pick a large area in a single-player or multiplayer-friendly space. If in survival mode, prepare the materials beforehand to avoid interruptions. Break down the mansion into sections, starting with the lowest level. Start with the basement for case, if your mansion includes one. Place the walls for the first level and adjust as needed, and add levels by one until reaching the desired height, finishing with a roof. It's a big project, but the results will be worth the effort. Get creative with in-game items to craft furniture like bookshelves and beds. Improvise for items Minecraft doesn't have, for example use stairs for chairs. Each of these steps helps create a cohesive, beautiful mansion in Minecraft. That's it guys, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.